Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we saw the structure of HTML. Now, let us see the basic syntax of HTML. The basic syntax of HTML is written in between the angle brackets, and inside that you give the tag name, which is written in lowercase. Most of the tags appear in pairs. You can see here, this is a pair of HTML tag. HTML tag starts with an angle bracket HTML and closes with /HTML within the angle brackets. Similarly, there are many other tags which are defined in pairs, but there are some tags which are self-defined. Like there is a tag called as image, img, which is self-defined tag. There is no closing tag to this image. The tag which is written, the complete tag including the closure of the tag, this is called as container plus with the content. With the content, this complete is called as an element. This is called as an element. Okay. Now let us see how the comments are written in HTML. This is the way to define the comments in HTML. Comments in HTML. You are writing a paragraph. Okay. Then you write a comment. This is paragraph. And then you define a paragraph. Okay. This is a new paragraph. Okay, this is how you write comments. So the next point is, whatever the content you write should be written within the body tag. I have added so many tags outside the body tag just to make you understand the concept. So let me delete this. Okay, whatever the content you write, you will write within the body tag. This is comment. Okay, see, I have written this is comment here. Now I have deleted everything and I have written just a comment in the body tag. So when I go to the browser and refresh, nothing will be shown because nothing is written within the body tag. But when I go to the browser and when I right click and do view page source, you will come to know that there is a comment within the body tag. So when do we use comments? We use comments for a developer to understand what is written, what function is written for this code. Comments are normally useful for the developer, not for the end users. Comments are written for the developers to understand the code. For example, if you have written a function, the below code is for the function A, then the developer will understand, this code is written for the function A. Now let us move with the next topic.